All right, guys. So welcome to this live session here with your host, Trade Effect. So as we do every weekdays, we look at the Forex indices and metal markets. So I hope everyone had a great day so far. So we're going to do the New York session here. And as we do at the start of our session, we're going to look at the news events. And I will show you exactly how everything works and all that stuff. So make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. All right, so let's go. So first, we're going to look at the CPI tape. So we did have the CPI results here. So in regards to CPI, if you look at the details here, we had the core CPI here that was 0.3%. So that was the forecast. So that's perfect. The CPI month to month was 0.4%. We're expecting 0.3%. So that's good. So that's positive. And the year to year CPI is at 2.9%, and we're expecting 2.9%. So positive news here all around. Unemployment claim here was negative, so we had 263K. We're expecting 235K. Last month was at 236K. Whoops, change that here. 236K. So that was negative. And for the rest, we had some Euro news, and that's pretty much it here. So that's perfect. So let's look at gonna go on the alert, the TV alert app that's been live here since yesterday. Hopefully anyone that was in the Discord should be seeing the alert, and I'll show you exactly what I mean. So every time that you're gonna get the alerts here, you're gonna see that in the alert, the TV alert app. So if you're a Discord member, you should have a section here for TV alert app, how to set it up and all that stuff. And I did a few videos here on that. So everyone was notified about it. So make sure to set it up and send your request here to receive the alerts. There's a few things that I need to adjust because I had the Hong Kong 50 alerts here that came in, but as you can see, it doesn't say the right symbol here, so that needs to be adjusted. But for the rest, anything that is US related, all that stuff should be coming in correctly here. All right. So that's basically that's what you're gonna hear at the background. If we have any alerts here from 9:30 until the end of our session, so you're gonna receive that notification here, and I'll tell you exactly if you don't have access to the TV alert app. I will tell you exactly if we had a signal here for a buy or sell, and on which it came in, and we'll go from there. Next, we have my support and resistance indicator here on MT4. And I'm almost done on the MT5 version. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. All right. So this is the support and resistance level here. So this is the support and resistance indicator. So it'll give you support and resistance, and will tell you exactly where to put your stop loss and take profit. And you're going to see exactly the movement in the market overall. and it will provide you a lot of good details here overall here. So I'm just gonna show you exactly what I'm talking about. So currently we're looking at German. So we have different levels here that German went to. And German at London was bullish here. And I'll show you exactly another indicator here that will provide you with the actual direction of it. But that's pretty much the gist of it. And I'm not going to go in details of how it works and all that stuff. Leon, you should have, if you go on the TV Alert app on the Discord, you should see everything there. You should have access to it. I already sent you an email, not an email, a voice message on Telegram explaining you exactly all that stuff. So I'm just gonna double check to see if you are in. Let's see. So that's good. That's good. That's good. And that's good. Yeah, so I see you in all of the sections, so you should see it. All right. Next, we have our indicator here that is Nova. So I'll show you that first. So Nova is an actual trend indicator here that will provide you bullishness or bearishness in the market. So like I said, for German, it was bullish at basically London Open. So we were looking for bull, and that's what we had. So around 3, that was bullish here overall, and price went up. So that's the first indicator. Second one is a fair value gap one. So I'll give you the bullish and bearish fair value gaps. Give you some indication here of if price goes towards those fair value gap. Right now it's on a 1 hour fair value gap. You could change the fair value gap time frame that you like. But usually if I'm trading on the 15, I always use the 1 hour. It's cleaner for me. And then that'll give you some pullbacks here to maybe trade off of for the continuation here in the upside. So since we're bullish here on the Nova, if I open Nova again, so we're bullish here. So we have bullish rabbi gaps here. So it makes sense to take a buy here. All right. All right, and finally we have EMXAI. This is my first indicator that I created. Give you some ADX directional bias here overall. For example, if you add, that was a sell here set up here that was at New York yesterday, and if you open Nova, Nova is telling you that it was a sell trend. You had a sell. So more confluence here on your trades, and you have a continuation here in the downside. All right, so you see that, Leon? So that's perfect. Always look at the Discord to see if there's any other new section that came in. I think you should be notified here when there's a new section. But let me know if you have any questions on that. All right. Perfect. So that's pretty much it here, guys. So we have 3 minutes before market open. So if you have any questions, put them in the chat. So waiting for market to open. So Leon, you can do the setup afterwards because you need to look at the video in full. And I think the video is almost like 13 minutes. So, but all right, so 9:30. So we're gonna wait to see if we're gonna have any alerts here. So at New York, we're gonna be looking at the indices here. So US30, Nasdaq, and S&P 500. And also, if we have a gold setup, we're gonna receive that too. And I'm just gonna double check that here. Yeah, so and even the Russell 2000, we may receive an alert for that. But like I said, I do not see access link. What do you mean don't see the access link? There's a access. Give me 2 seconds. Ah, my bad. Give me 2 seconds. You should see it in a couple of seconds. I think that was the one section that I didn't provide you. Hold on, hold on. All right. All right, you should see it now. Just refresh your Discord. You should see it, Leon. Why are you crying? Ay, ay, ay. You should see it now. And this will be a temporary link for now because I need to get the actual domain. So, like I said, do not share this link. This is a temporary link. Even though someone would try to log in to that link and they try to create an account, they can create an account, but they won't see anything. All right, perfect. All right, so I need to place a quick call real quick, guys. So it won't be long. So I'll put myself on mute for now. If there's any alerts coming in, I will let you know. All right. All right. So let's. So we're going to look at the Nasdaq. Nasdaq setup here. So currently Nasdaq is bullish. So I'll show you exactly the direction here currently that we had. So that was bullish here on Nasdaq. S&P 500 should be the same. Yeah. US30 the same. So all of them were bullish here, right around 7 o'clock. So bullishness overall. So I'm expecting to have a bullish setup here that coming in. So all of the indices here were bullish here, right around London, near London or at the end of London open, beginning of New York. So at around 6, we were bullish here on the indices. And as you can see, we had a buy setup here on US30 with EMXAI. So no setup here, but we're bullish here on Nasdaq, and we were bullish here on S&P 500. All right. So gold was bearish here. As you can see, it started to go bullish here currently. But we're bearish here for quite some time. So since yesterday afternoon, Wednesday afternoon, we were bearish. We did get a sell setup here on EMXAI. Started to go down. All right. So I have multiple indicators here that I created here that is going to help you set up look at setups and all that stuff. No, I have. Okay. All right, perfect. So make sure to send the request here to have access to the alerts. So US30, we have a buy right now. Just came in.
Buy US30 at price 45,683.5
All
on
right.
15 am time frame at time 9 hours 38 minutes and 27
So we have a
seconds.
US30 buy right now.
Buy US30 at price 45,683.5 on 15 am time frame at time 9 hours 38 minutes and 27 seconds. Buy US30 at price
All right. So
45,683.5 on
US30
15 am time
right
frame
here.
at time 9 hours
So
38
we're
minutes
bullish
and
here.
27 seconds.
Just got that bullishness. So hold on, guys. I'm just gonna take that call. All right, perfect. I'm back. I'm just gonna accept the request from Leon. Give me 2 seconds. I was on the call here, so let me see. So I see the request. Okay. So what do you mean you see the request now? What do you mean by that, Leon? So make sure to follow the steps and send me the send not see. What the? Give me 2 seconds. So did you send the request the right way, Leon? Because I don't see any request on my end. Make sure you write down the my username correctly. So it's capital D R E. So capital D and then lowercase R E, capital D, lowercase A Y, capital F, capital X. The exact same way that you've seen in the video. I'll add it to the Discord. And it will be in the app access. All right, so you should see it in the app access section. You're gonna see the actual username that you would need to send the request to. Okay, so you have to go on the alert settings, and you go on the request access, and put my username there and send the request. All right. Perfect. So let's go back to the charts here. So we have a buy on US30 that came in here at around. So that was at 9:38. Is it 9:38? Am I seeing right? Yeah, at 9:38. So So let me double check something here. Okay, I have to close that. Is there a stop or something? What is it? Cats and switch. Because of something else. All right. So all right. Let me check. All right. Let's see. Hold on. I'm just gonna double check. Request pending request. Yeah, you have to make sure to change your username because the username that I'm seeing here is your email address. So make sure to change your username on the settings to your username, to an actual username. But you should be in right now. You should see everything populated here, and you should see the last. Should see the last few alerts. Let me know if everything is which indicator are you using. Yeah, the indicator that you're seeing here right now, this is my own custom indicator here that is called Nova. So it's giving you the actual trend. It's one of many indicators that I created here, guys. So right now you have a bullish setup, and we were already up. Uh, there was already a buy signal here off of the EMXAI. So this is another. So I'm just gonna show you each of the indicators here. So this is the first one. This is one of my first indicator that I created here a couple of years ago. So you had that buy here that came in right before that CPI news. So it was already giving you a buy setup off of that. And the next one is Nova. This is an actual trend indicator. So it'll give you the trend of the market. So since around 6 Eastern time, 6:30 Eastern time, we were bullish. And finally, I have my alert app. Alert app that gives you the actual institutional institutional, what's it called? Institutional entries. This is with the alert app. So if you want to use it, okay, so you're talking about the alert. So I'm just going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. So this is the alert. This is my own app that I created here. So you have some alerts that is going to come in based off of the multiple confluence, especially institutional liquidity. And as you can see, the last signal here that came in was a buy, and right now the price is shooting way up. So you should be well in profit right now. But everything that you're seeing here needs you need to be a member of my Discord, and you need to fill out a form that you see on my YouTube channel. You should see a form there, and we could set up a call to see exactly if it would be a good fit in working with me. I'm really picky and selected with the people that I work with. Right now, you should see Leon on the chat that been working with him for the last 3 years, and he's been seeing all of the changes that we had here in the group, and he's recently getting some good results here overall, because I do a one-on-one session here with people if they want to, so I can see exactly what you want and what you need in regards to whoops, what you need to work on. How much is it? So how much is what? Is it? It's not a specific. It's not a. The price is really based out of what you need. So if it's only like the alerts, it's a price. If it's the whole package, it's another price. So you just have to discuss. We just have to discuss exactly the budget, and it's not that. It's not. It's not that expensive, guys. So with all the value that I'm giving you, especially if let's say you don't have the money to invest, I always do those live here each and every day. So New York session Monday to Friday at 9:15 until 10:15, depending exactly on how the market goes. And I also do a London session here Tuesdays and Wednesdays. But as I said, fortunately, I'm not gonna talk about pricing on the live. If you need any information here, you just have to go on my YouTube channel. There should be a link there, and we could set up a call and see exactly what you need, what you want. Yes, yeah, I have my cat here. That is. Come. All right. She doesn't want to go. Anyways, so yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope. Unfortunately, I'm not able. Like I said, I'm not able to give you the price on the live. I'm not. I'm not here to pitch anything else. I'm just showing you exactly how everything works. If it makes sense for you, just contact me. If not, it's okay too. So, like I said, I'm giving you free value here online. So US30 is booming right now. So if you're in profit right now, you should start to let's look at. Just gonna load up this US30. Hold on, I'm just gonna make sure that this is loaded. I'm just going to, okay, that's good. And that's good. Boom. So I'm going to show you exactly the support and resistance indicator that I have on MT4. All right, so the type of trade that I'm taking. So I'm mostly focusing on the indices. All right, so anything that is indices related, that I'm focusing on. I've been trading for the last 12 years. Started with binary options and then switched to Forex. And then last couple of years, I've been focusing on indices, basically futures. So we'll start trading futures in a couple of weeks. But I've been trading indices here for many years. And most of the indicators that I have here are based off of indices related setup. But for example, what you're seeing here can be used on any symbol. So it could be Forex, commodities. It works on everything else. And but for the indicators that I have here on TradingView, most of them works on any financial instrument. But for the alerts that you're receiving in the app, those are specifically for indices. So I'm mostly scalping, so intraday, but all of the indicators here could be used on for swing trading too. So all right, so the only alert that we had so far was that US30 for buy. And this is where the price is at. Now let me close this so that I can see better. There you go. So this is where the market is at right now. And what's cool with that MT4 indicator here is that you're able to place trades directly from the UI. So this panel here. So instead of opening the terminal that is connected with MT4, you could use that, and it's going to work. So you could open, buy, sell, and close the trade. You could select your lot size before taking your trades, and you could select the level here, the higher time frame levels that you want to look at. Right now, it's looking at the 1 hour support and resistance. And right now, since there was no support or resistance here, right now we're in currently price discovery here at that point. So it's going to recalculate each and every tick and provide you with new setups here. And here you could look at the current time frame support and resistance. And I just remove this is the higher time frame one. Okay, and when you're entering a trade, you could select your stop loss and take profit. So the stop loss and take profit are based off of the levels, and then you execute your trade, and it will calculate automatically the stop loss and take profit here off of that. So I hope that answer your questions. So far, like I said, we got an alert. So let me check. I'm just going to show you exactly the alert that we received, so y'all can see that we were looking at So as you can see in the alert app, the last signal here was US30. We did have another one here, but this is I need to fix that issue. We have it only says ticker and not the actual symbol. But I'll see exactly which symbol was that. But that was the US30 one, and that came in here at 9:38. So 8 minutes after market open, we had the buy signal, and the price started to shoot up. All right, so let's this is where we're at right now. I'm just gonna see exactly what was that other alert, so I could tell you guys what it was. Let's see. It was that was Russell 2000. Russell 2000 was a buy, and that came in at 9:39. So unfortunately, we missed this one because of the error that we had here, the alert app. So that's what I'm going to fix after the call. But I can show you exactly that Russell 2000 was bullish here at 9:39. So right about here. So right now it's in profit right now. All right, so for now we had the Russell 2000 and US30 that was bullish. We had a buy setup here at 9:38 for US30 and 9:39 for Russell 2000. Fortunately, on the app, didn't provide me the right symbol because I just need to fix it because I'm also a coder here, guys. So I do code my own stuff. So I'm just going to make sure that that is working properly, so y'all can see exactly the right symbol when the alert comes in. So I'll work on that, and also I'm going to be working on the MT5 version of the support and resistance level. I think I could show you what I add so far. Just gonna open this. Alright, so let me code a few things. Hold on, guys, to make sure that it's all right. So I'm gonna show you exactly the MT5 version here of the indicator. Support and resistance, especially for Leon. I think Leon asked me to do a version 5, MT5. So this is the MT5 version. It's exactly the same layout here as the MP4 one, but this is for MT5. And I'm just gonna see if I need to test it. I'm just gonna do a buy just to make sure it's working properly. But I wasn't finished yet on creating this one stop loss. Okay, yeah, so seems to be working fine right now. So you see, you created a buy, and then it's going to put the stop loss based off of a previous level. And as you can see, you could close the trade. You can remove the levels here. So once again, I'm going to put a buy so y'all can see exactly how it works. So based off of the settings here that I selected, so stop loss is at one level below the entry. But when I say one level, it's based off of previous support. So the support level is right here. So that's why the stop loss, it was placed there. And the TP will be placed on the 2 levels above. Since there's no levels here, the system will manage the trade until there's a new level that will be created. But at this point here, you should be already out of that trade currently or managing it. But I'm just showing you exactly how everything works. And if you want to close it, you just click on close, and it's going to close the trade here. All right. And the levels here, you could use the current time frame levels. This is the 50-minute levels. All right. And if not, you have the 1 hour level. Okay, so those are previous 1 hour levels here. There you go. All right, so that's pretty much it here. I'm just gonna close this, see if there's any other questions. No, that's pretty much it, guys. So we're gonna close out the session here because there's really nothing else to look at. We only had basically one alert that came in correctly, and that was the US30. So if you took that trade when it came in, you should be well in profit. The price shoot it up tremendously. And you have the other one here that is the Russell 2000. So this one was created here a few 1 minute after the US30 one, and it's still going to the upside right now. All right, so we're gonna close out the session, guys. So thank you so much for being on this live. If you have any questions, like as always, put it in the comment of this video, or you could send me a request to if you want to join the Discord, or you want me to do some one-on-one and show you exactly what I do. You could send me the request here on my YouTube channel. You should see a form, and you just fill out the form, and we'll discuss here. No problem, no problem. And like I said, I have a few things to adjust on the alerts, because there's a few alerts that only says ticker, but you should see the actual symbol here. All right, so I'm gonna make sure that it's working fine, and the MT5 version of the support and resistance should be out here in a day or two. All right. So that being said, guys, wish you a wonderful day, and we'll be back here tomorrow at the New York session, 9:15, for another session here with yours truly, JDFX. All right, so peace, have a great one.